Hi everyone. So in this video I want to talk about a classic movie that honestly honestly feel candy heavy, but at the same time really memorable. The movie is Dead Pretty Poets Society. This film was directed by Peter Weir and it's come out back in 1989. Genre-wise, it's a drama, but more specifically an education drama and coming of age film. Basically, the story follows John Keating, a literature teacher who started teaching at this elite school called Welton Academy. The school is super strict, very traditional, and kinda stiff. Keating show up with a totally different teaching style, and because of that, his way of thinking is seen as sometimes risky or even dangerous for the school system. This movie is also pretty well known because it won an Oscar for Best Original Screenplay plus a few other major nominations. If we if we talk about the story, it's actually pretty simple. It's about school life and inspiring teacher and student who slowly start to question things and catch the dreams. But for me, what makes this movie strong is the plot itself. It's the slow build up. We get to know the student, feel the pressure they under, and what to convince grow emotionally. The pace is kinda slow, not badly, but that what makes you really feel the story instead of just watching it and without spoiling too much. There big moment near the end that really emotional and honestly painful to watch. It's one of the those skins that stay in your head long after the movie ends. The most memorable character for sure in the John Keating, played by Robin Williams. He's not the typical strict teacher. He's chill, empathy, and actually listen to his student. It feels like he cares more about who they because as people, not just their grades. Among the students, I think Neil Perry and Tut Anderson stand out the most. Neil has big dream but gets crushed by his parents' expectation, while Tut start off super quiet and insecure. Tut's character development feel really natural, and that what make it believable. As for acting, Robin Williams' totality carries the film. His performance feels honest, not over the top, and very human. The younger actors do a good job too, even though some skin feel a bit stiff, but that pretty understandable. From the director's side, Peter Wright does a great job showing the contrast between freedom and pressure. Visually, the movie looks simple but very intentional. The school feels cold and closed off, while skin outside the classroom feel warmer and more open. I really like how the camera and the setting show how trapped the student feel without having to explain everything through dialogue. There are any crazy visual effect, but honestly, the visual fit the story perfectly. The mu- the music the music in the movie is lot of flashy, but that actually a good thing. The soundtrack comes in at the right moment and help build an emotional kind of reflection mood. And in Comskin, the silence hit even harder than the music. The dialogue really becomes the focus, which makes sense for a movie about pretty and words. The main themes here are freedom of thought, following your dreams, and critique a really rigid education system. For me, the movie is basically saying that education is just about grades. It's about helping people figure and what they are. At the same time, it's also so how pressure, especially without communication, can lead to really serious consequences. Personally, I see this movie as a remember that having passion is important, but having a sportive environment matters just as much. Personally, I really enjoyed the movie, but get why it's not very one everyone. That dialogue is strong and some quotes really stick with out. But if you're us to fast paced action heavy movie, this one might feel slow. Still, it definitely recommend it, especially for student, college kid, or anyone who keen of questioning their direction in life. So yeah, to wrap things up, that Food Society is just entertaining. It actually makes you think after watching it. Your life feeling inspiration, sad and reflection, reflective all at the same time. And of course, the magic's carpe diem is the line that really stick with you. For my final rating, I give the movie a 9 out of 10. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.